Yeah, I like that. Okay, now I open on my screen. Yes, sir. Yes, you can see my screen now. I hope that. So nilikuwa naongea about this one. So you have heard about barter trend and all that, but nowadays we are talking about the exchange of currencies, like two similar things. Hiyo wakati tulikuwa tunaongea about goods and services, but now we are talking about the currencies. You are talking about the currencies. You cannot trade one currency. Hata ukisikia kuna the trading of commodities, stocks, ukisikia watu wana trend Facebook, all those commodities they are measured in terms of dollar. Hizo ma commodities and the stocks, so it means you cannot trade just one item. You need another item so that you can trade against each other. For example, let's say you just want to trade the common one that is known, which is like euro USD. Okay, so you can just trade this one. So this is what we call a pair in forex trading. So before even tufike hapo, acha tuongee kitu very important over here, and it's about kuna forex. There are three categories of things. Kuna kitu tunaita forex trading, kuna forex trading, kuna crypto trading, because all those things are different over here. Kuna crypto trading, and also we have what we have binary trading. Okay, so on a quick note, I will just explain all these three, because kuna watu wana trend this one but they don't trend this. Kuna watu wana trend all these different things, and maybe umesikia some trenders maybe on the internet talking about this different thing, and you think that kile kitu wanafanya unaweza kuwa interested kufanya na hiyo, kumbe whatever in your mind is not what they are doing. Yeah, so for this one, let's start with forex trading. Forex trading is just where you trend. Ukisikia jina forex, you know we are talking about foreign. It just come from the word foreign. I'll be very quick on this one. We are talking about foreign exchange. Foreign exchange. So it is about foreign exchange, forex trading. So that is the category number one. And over here, when we talk about foreign, it means we are talking about like euro, USD, Japanese yen. So you can trade these currencies in a whole, owned by other countries. Okay, like AUD, that is Australian dollar. You see a lot of them over there. When you just go to MT4 or any other trading platform, you can see them over there. They will just be clarified. Let me show you something over here, like when we use this platform, like tuseme for example, acha nikuonyeshe kidogo some of the pages so that we can know how to categorize them. And when actually it comes to forex trading, you can trade a lot of things. You can trade commodities, you can trade what we call stocks. Okay. Commodities can also be clarified as pale unasikia mtu pale unasikia mtu anaweza trend like let's say on the commodity side you can just trend like let me show you over here. On the stocks you can trend like native lakes, you can trend Apple, you can trend Adidas, all those big ones. On the commodities, they are categorized under agricultural products. Kuna metals like unaweza trend gold, unaweza trend you can also trend cotton in agricultural form, sugar, and all those commodities. As long una follow, you know how they are going, understand the graph and all that. So it means on the forex trading you can just trend all those things when it comes to foreign exchange. And when we talk about those, so that is the category of forex trading. Let's just go to the crypto. Ukienda kwa crypto, hapa ni pale una trend vitu kama crypto. Umesikia crypto ni hii kitu kama Bitcoin, which is the largest crypto. Okay, kuna kitu kama Bitcoin, kuna kitu kama Ethereum, hizi kuna watu sasa they always trend these things. If you have seen maybe one of my videos wala umechokora hapo, you have seen me talking about Binance, Ethereum, P2P trading. So all those things lies under crypto trading. to trade crypto. The word crypto actually, let's just drive it. Crypto comes from the word cryptography, as I always say. Cryptography. Cryptography, this is crypto, this is a virtual currency. That means this currency is not like USD, it is not like AUD, it's not like JPY, Japanese yen. So this crypto thing like Bitcoin, it's not owned by anybody, it's not regulated by anybody. There's no central where, for example, ukienda US utakuta kitu kama federal wana regulate the increase the interest rate through for example, unajua, do you know like even the Kenya shillings, it cannot just drop or increase just like that. The government has to be involved. There's that firm that is central over there that is able to control and do all those things. But when it comes to Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency, hakuna mtu ana involved in all that. Bitcoin can shoot up to 60 million in one day and can shoot even equal almost to zero. That's why you have seen like this year you saw what we call kuna this coin that dropped to zero. We have seen the other one that is also dying in the crypto area, and all these ones. We also saw Bitcoin moving to highest and highest value because there's nobody who regulating these things for their prices. Yeah, now, and that is crypto trading. Crypto trading actually is a very large area, na hapa ndio watu wanakuanga conned on. Unasikia mtu anakuambia mtumie pesa fulani either kutrendie kwa anything of those one, either forex, crypto and binary. Don't be involved in that. That's why I'm dedicating myself over here to teach you for free so that you can know how to trade for yourself. That is the thing that you have to achieve for yourself. No, usikue lazy. I don't want to chase you over here and then you just become lazy over there. Start seeking knowledge every time and every day. That's what I tell the people who are posting kwa hiyo group and all that. So make sure that you learn and learn, because if you don't learn, of course you meet yourself involving in this big scams right here. So we are in crypto trending. So kuna crypto trading tumesema involve on Bitcoin, Ethereum, kuna Solana. There are hundreds of them. So when it comes to binary trading, actually over here, so we say kuna vitu nasemanga binary trading. This is actually where scam is. Hapa ndio wale watu nasikia wako forex wanafanya hizi vitu. Yeah, umesikia? So when we talk about binary, unaona kitu kuna makino, there is something we talk about buy here. The word buy means what? Ukienda kwa Bolonje, hata ukienda ukisearch kwa Chrome iko hapa na search, you can see that utakuta it means twice. This means two actually when it comes to Bolonje and all that. Buy means two. So when we are talking about binary trading, this the platform where you just trade options. Yeah, umeona kama kaka platform kana kuanga advertise sana. Hii unaonanga trend with as per option. Nimeongea hizi platform kwa my channel how to use it. So this is a broker like FX Pesa, but involve ku trade nini? Binary trading. That means uko na option mbili. Either you can predict the market whether it's moving up or if the market is just going down, okay? The market whether it's going up or going down. Another disadvantage of binary trading is that there is time limit. Maybe unaweza set ikuwe 1 minute. Ikuwe 1 minute. Hii 1 minute ikisha, then you have to trade either utakuwa umehan ama utakuwa umelose. Something like that. So hii ndio unasikia watu, for example like binary.com platform, wale wanatumia binary.com ama binary.com ndio imezaa nini? Ndio imezaa derive.com. So is the platform ndizo najua zile zinafanya binary trading, zile brokers. So utasikia watu wakikwambia nunua bot, buy this bot. So these bot are just involved in binary trading. These bot zinakuwa involved wapi? Kwa binary trading. Yeah. So and actually this involved a lot of risk. Kuna ka video nilitengeneza tu hapo nikiwa nje leo, nikasema when you just know about these things about binary trading and all that, mtu anakuuzia bot, unauziwa bot vizuri sana. Hii bot mtu alitengeneza last year. Wakati alitengeneza hii bot last year, aliweka hiyo ni program. Do you know bot is just a program? Is just wale wamefanya programming kwa computer, unaweza jua hizo vitu program something. Unaiweka fulani uifanyange hivyo. So uliuziwa bot last year. The market is always keeping changing. You know, things on the market are always changing. Wale walikuwa kwa group, you saw something like when the Fed announced the that is decrease in that is inflation rate, CPI. Wakati market ilitoka na ikarise by 2000, sahi ni kama 3000, imerise na over 3000 point. That's about 3 over 400 pips. So that's a lot. That's a lot. That is very, very, very big. And you know, you have to make those decisions. But bolt, kama ilikuwa program ifanye hivyo, ifanye kitu fulani, ita stick to that thing. Yeah? Si ati itafuata vitu zingine zikuja, but as a person kuna vitu tops up because this is a live market and you change. But bot cannot change. So those things, vitu za program and all that. So people actually lose a lot of money when they are trading on binary trading and all that, because most of time I say binary trading is almost like betting. So it's up to you. If you want to trade on binary, it's up to you. Your money is yours, not my money. Now when you want to trade all in this platform, ukataka ku trade forex, crypto trading, binary, you need one thing, which is broker. Broker actually, wakati nilikuwa na join I think like 2 years ago, wakati nilikuwa natafuta, wakati nita trade, because I started trading crypto. That's why I know a lot about crypto trading. I've never traded binary actually, but I was trading crypto before forex trading. So nilikuwa nafikiria broker ni eti utafute mtu middle person. Hata wewe mwenyewe ukisikia broker utaona hapana, nitafute mtu kama wa kuniconnect na kitu fulani, broker. Nikimpea pesa anaenda ananifanyia kitu fulani, nikipata faida nampea kitu fulani. Yes, no problem, that is right. But this is not a person, but it's a company, and this is that the platform that helps you to connect to the international market, and they will just charge you small fee so that you can just enter them. You know, kuna kitu nilisema na sijasahau. In 1980s, 1990s huko, 1980s huko. Do you know how many people, what were involved over there? I don't know whether it is 1980s or below that. But kitambo sana, there was no retail trading. Okay, let me ilikuwa ina involve between. So if you just wanted to trade, the banks were trading against banks. Mimi najua kuna watu wamesoma sana hapa, they can know this thing, they can relate, I don't know. But yeah, kama umesoma business, whatever, economics and all that, nisikuwa na wandanganya hapa, but it's true. Kitambo, the only people who were trading, they were trading between banks and banks. Then ikateremka kidogo, ikaenda kwa wholesale, ambayo sasa ni wandosi. Those rich guys ndio wange afford ku trade kwa forex, you know, because you need a lot of money. But nowadays, because of involvement of those brokers, zinatusaidia na kitu inaitwa leverage. Leverage hapa sasa ndio una deposit like $10. Hii platform ikuna vyenye itafanya multiply that capital so that you can be able to reach this level of the rich guy right over here. And now we can, now this was level 1, level 2, level 3, and now the forex is in retail. Anybody can trade anytime you want, every time you can just trade. And why? Because there is involvement of leverage. So leverage is just actually like multiplication of your money that you have so that you can meet that standard. Because to trade forex is not just like to enter, you need a lot of money, but platform inakuja na theories hapo, you just multiply your capital so that you can just be going over there. So for example, over here, so I may involve this in retail. So yeah, up to them. tulikuwa tunaongea about broker, na broker ikakuja tukasaidia mpaka tukaingia kwa market, imeingia mpaka kwa retail. Sawa sawa, market imeingia mpaka wapi? Kwa retail trading. Sasa hakuna banks na banks. Now after that imeingia kwa retail trading. Now ni nini imeleta kwa retail? Ni brokers, okay? Like FX Pesa. So kwa FX Pesa, the reason I just like FX Pesa, so FX Pesa inakusaidia na vitu mingi sana. FX Pesa. So FX Pesa here is a broker na inakupea leverage ya 1 to 400. So you can adjust this one, but usiwahi change kitu. Venye uliregister account yako ikiwa uti-change anything, don't change anything. Acha kitu ikuwe hivyo venye iko. Yeah? Let this thing stay the way it is. This is the leverage that you are being given on FX Pesa. So FX Pesa is a broker. And when you are selecting what you want to select before you trade with the FX Pesa, because of FX Pesa sasa ndio itakuprovidea na commodities that you can trade, itakuprovidea stocks. Unajua tutema commodities, kuna agricultural stocks unaweza trade indices, unaweza trade currencies, USD, JPY, all these ones. FX Pesa inakuprovidea hapo. Tuelewane kitu imetoka wapi? Weka hapa. So we have leverage. We have FX Pesa. So what FX Pesa does, it is help you to deposit from M-Pesa. Kwa sababu unajua kitambo, actually like 4 years before FX Pesa was launched in Kenya, because it was the first broker to be regulated here in 254. Before FX Pesa, ungeenda utafute ma platform uko deposit, kufanya nini in terms of dollars. It was very ungekupea headache sana actually before even you learn how to deposit money. Ilikuwa very hard. Yeah. But when you have FX Pesa now, you can deposit right from M-Pesa. Inakupea ile leverage so that you can just be able to deposit. But kama umedeposit $100, utaona tu ikiwa $100, but uko na leverage. Hii inakusaidia ku withdraw. Actually, the first withdrawal inakuwa meant, lazima ikuwe verified. Lazima kwa kampuni uangalie manually. Sasa nani wewe anajoin sasa honestly? So the first one, when you are just going to withdraw, this withdrawal will just be made manually, but the second one will just be automatic. Okay, the second one will be automatic. So we have the broker, which is FX Pesa right over here. Now what we need now is to trend. Now kama FX Pesa, kama uko na account ya FX Pesa hapa sasa, si umefungua na account yako imekuwa verified, good. Now you have something over here. Hii inakusaidia ku deposit, and then inakupea leverage and all that, and now inakusaidia ku withdraw. But you know kuna process ingine iko hapa to trend. Yeah? Ku trend. Sasa hapa ndio tutaongelea hapa sasa. Kwa nini nimeiweka hapa? Kuna ku trend. So kuna kitu kama ku trend hapa sasa. Na kuna deposit, kuna FX Pesa hapa. Na kuna hapa sasa ku withdraw. And then with this trending between here. So when we talk about the trend over here, una tradia wapi? You can trend using FX Pesa trader. Hapa ni pale unafanya what you do here. Kuna FX Pesa trader ama kuna MT4, kuna MT5. Okay, kwa new team na wote, there's something you have to know. Kwa FX Pesa unaweza trade anything. Unaweza trend whatever is tradable. Okay, unaweza trend crypto. Kama unataka kutrend only currencies, use MT4. Currencies, commodities and all that. Kama unataka kutrade including crypto, so you can trade everything. So kama unataka kutrade including now crypto, you have to have MT5. Sasa watu wanaelewa sasa. You have to have what? MT5. So kama uko na FX Pesa account, uko na FX Pesa account, enda hapo kumeandikwa create account, ucreate another new account. Ikikuuliza hapo kwa live, enda hapo kwa live account and then utaona mahali kumeandikwa live account. After ume login kwa your account, acha nikuonyesha. Kuna watu bado hawajajua kuconnect MT4. Acha niingie kwa hii account nikuonyeshe. So this is how you create. Ukitaka kutrade crypto, I just said that because on FX Pesa you can trade crypto, you can trade all of them. So what you just do is that you come over here. Unaona hapa kumeandikwa nini? Hapa kumeandikwa live account. Hapa kumeandikwa live account. So what you do here is you come right over here and then you click easy dot on the list on the right side here. Oh no, not that dot. On the here hapa kumeandikwa create account. So ukitaka kutrade crypto pia.
Dan.
Yes.
Dan.
Aha.
Nigerudia tu kidogo kiasi tu. Rudie kidogo hapo mahali umeingia hapo FX Pesa. Kutoka hapo ukiingia sijakuwa nikiconcentrate hapo.
Haya, ngoja kidogo.
Please.
Sawa, ngoja. Okay. Sawa, acha nirudie hapo. Let's say now this is your FX Pesa. Hii ni FX Pesa account yako. So kama unatumia simu and you are using all that one, kuna mahali sasa I want us to do what? To create another account. Unajua kama uli create wakati ulikuwa una trend, utaona live account. Hizi ni live account. Kuna account utaona hapa. Ukizoom hapa utaona hii ni account ID ya FX. Unaweza trade kwa FX Pesa Trader, hii imeanza na 49, ama unaweza tumia MT4. Na unaona leverage ni ngapi? 1 to 400. Then the next one over here is ya MT5. Hii huwezi tumia MT nini. So you can trade on MT5. So kwa hii MT5 nime create hapa, I can trade crypto. But huwezi tumia MT4 ku trade crypto. Hii unaweza download kwa Play Store MT4 na MT5. And then you just go, kama uli create your account iko kwa MT4, create another account. Si eti unaenda una login from mwanzo huko, hapana, you don't do that. Login to your FX Pesa Trader is just one step. On the right side, angalia mahali kumeandikwa create account. Hapo kwa mstari tu ya live account. Click hapo, create account, and then itakupeleka kwa this page. Unaona sasa inakwambia create MetaTrader 4. Sasa tunaenda kwa MetaTrader what? MetaTrader 5. Don't click Premier. Acha ikuwe kwa executive. And then make sure you turn this on. So hii nitawa explainia later ni nini. Swap free. But make sure you turn on, and then una create this one. Create what? Different account. And then unaweka nini? Portal password. Portal password ile unatumia ku login kwa FX Pesa. Okay? And then after that ukiclick submit, utakuwa sasa umecreate MT5. Utakuwa umecreate nini? MT5. So hapo kwa MT5, hapo tumecreate kwa MT5, utaona account yako ya MT5 ndio hii. Okay? So this is your account ID of the MT5. This you see over here, this is account ID. And then to create hapa sasa kwa MT5 utakuwa una login na using your portal password now. Hapo unakuja una create hapa, unaenda una create. Unaona venye una create. Okay, acha nirudi hapa sasa to connect FX Pesa na FX Pesa trader ama MT4 ama MT5. This is what we do. You need your account ID. Account ID yako either ikuwe 49 imeanza, so hii ni MT4, ama your account can be imeanza na 89. Maybe in coming days itakuwa zina change because these numbers change, yeah? But you need that account in MT5. So what you need over here to log in, already you have this. What you need to log in here, you need trending password. This is not the login password, eh? You need the trending password and you need the trending password over here. How do you get trending password? Is just very easy on MT4. It's very easy. Just go kwa ile account nataka ku create. For example, tuseme kama ni hii kwa hapa ni ya 49, hii imeandikwa hapo chini MT4. Enter on the right side and then click hizi dot tatu unaona hapa. I click this dot and then you see somewhere here, acha ni zoom one, kumeandikwa nini, set trending password, and you click that. So the moment you click that, utaona kitu kaa hii inakupea account yako hapo, and then you put your password. Hapa password unaweza weka anything, lakini ifuate nini hizi sheria ziko hapa so that your password can be strong, ikuwe na hizo characters and all that. Sitaki kuinvolve you. That is the easiest thing that you can just do if you just follow those you'll be having your password right over here, at least one number. You see you'll be having at least one uppercase, capital letters. You see imekuwa zote green, and then you're just okay with that. Portal password is, nani wamefunga microphone? Tafadhali funga. On the portal password now you put your login password and then you just be okay. And then sasa hiyo password tumeweka hapa new trending password ndio tunatumia ku login wapi? Kwa MT4 na kwa MT5. Hii ni MT5 ndio tunatumia ku login kwa MT5. And that is it. So back over here, after you connect, now you can trend. After you trend, because they are linked, ile profit unapata inaenda wapi? Hakuna haraka because this is introduction class. So ile profit unapata after umetrend hapa whatever crypto and whatever, itakuwa tu utaiona tu kwa FX Pesa. Utaona wapi? Utaiona tu kwa FX Pesa, and then you can decide to withdraw your money. I send the first deposit, lazima ikuwe verified manually, so inaweza take like some 2 hours, like 5 hours, kitu kama hiyo, 3 hours sometimes when the customer is not busy. But the other one, after the first one is main, hizo zingine utakuwa na click withdraw pesa, ina arrive within 1 to 3 seconds. Yeah, so that's how easy it is to use FX Pesa trader. Now let me repeat over here again. You need FX Pesa. Kama uko na FX Pesa imekuwa verified account, then you are going to go on that. Then good. Kama uko na FX Pesa, yes, that is nice. Then FX Pesa inakusaidia kudeposit na withdraw. Then una need ku trend kwa sababu unaweza download application ya FX Pesa Trader, MT4 ama MT5. You can open these 3 account, no problem. You can trend, or I prefer MT4 and MT5, okay, because they are very easy to monitor anytime. And yes, so when you're using MT5 is when you just want to trade all of them, either in Bitcoin, crypto, you want to trade currencies, commodities, hizo zote ziko kwa MT5. But MT4 iko specifically ku trade currencies, na nimekuonyesha how you create an MT5 account kama ulikuwa umeopen nini MT4. Na kama uko na MT5 ukitaka ku download MT4 ni sawa, but and create account ya MT4. And then after that, what you just need is to create a trading password. You link it to the FX Pesa vile nimekuonyesha by the trading password, and using what? And using your account ID. And then after that, then it's just easy to go there, and then you can just start trending. You can start what? Trending. After you trend, then you can just withdraw your what? You can just withdraw your money. So that is the full process on how you just do your things, how you connect to your account and all that. Now kuna vitu mingi tunaweza ongea hapa. There are a lot of things that we can just be talking about over here. and see it in watawafunza zote, because there are some things that you have to know. Now let me just arrive over here so that you know what you have to know, and maybe we'll be discussing this in future. Now before now you trend hapo kwa trend, unaona tuko tu hapa kwa trend because hapa this is the very important and very critical point when we are talking about the trading, because that is involved a lot of things. Let's talk about trending. And when we are talking about trading, you're not talking about something simple, something other than that. Before you place that trend, before placing that trend, you must have done something. You must have done what? You must have done something. And that is, you can do, first do technical analysis. Technical what? Technical analysis. And kuna kitu si kusema, today is on Friday, so the market is closing today. It open tena on Monday 12 am. So ndio market itafungua tena. Okay, so the market, nani market gani inafunguka? That one, that is currencies, commodities and all that. But cryptocurrency is always running. So niwaambia, cryptocurrency is not controlled by anybody. Cryptocurrency is just controlled by everyone. Hata huu sasa ukiingia ununue bitcoin mingi sana, uta increase demand, bitcoin itaanza kupanda juu. But ukiingia tu uanze kuuza euro, government ita intervene and you will not have that control. But on cryptocurrency, anyone can have that thing. So the reason I stopped trending cryptocurrency, I posted that video, I seen. This is the reason. Cryptocurrency, ukiangalia watu kama akina Elon Musk bwana, wanaingia wananunua 10,000 of bitcoin worth billions of money. They manipulate the market, wanna buy anytime they want, they sell anytime they want. So after umefanya your strategy and all that, sinakuwa mzuri, but these guys wanafanya vitu opposite so that they can just get money out of that. But this is well, you can trade crypto, is good. Some people are making billions of money on the cryptocurrency, but that is my whole reason why I don't now trend. That's why I love currencies, because kuna limit, haziwezi wanafanya nini, haziwezi fika. Now before you trade currencies, commodities and all those things, you have to do technical analysis. When we talk about technical analysis, we are talking something about this. Tutakuja kuongea this later. When we talk about technical analysis, tunaongea vitu kama when we talk about technical analysis, we are talking about hizi vitu unaonanga watu wamechora wamepost, technically this is how the graph is going. So technically this is what you do, because you have a lot of things to learn. I cannot teach you everything, So unaona hizi mambo ya kuchora, unajua this is how the market is just going to do. You draw these things. So this is doing technical analysis. This is doing what? Technical analysis. This is doing technical analysis. Unakuja tu una predict vitu zako, unafanya vituko hapa. So this is what we call technical analysis. You see? Unakuja unanunulia hapo. So this is what we call technical analysis. We cannot talk about over here. Hatuwezi maliza hii yenyewe kuongea, will take time. But this is what we call what? Technical analysis. Umeona watu wakichora hizi vitu. So because the graph has that meaning of repeating itself, kuna hii behavior. And why do you think these things watu wanafanya technical analysis? The reason wanafanya technical analysis, kuna ile behavior the market na repeat itself. That behavior of market repeating itself once and once again. And because we are human beings, we have that set of thinking. We have that human thinking of something. For example, let's say tunasemanga hii kitu ikifika hapa inafanyanga hivi. So because majority of people are doing the same thing, so hiyo kitu inafanyika hivyo. So it's just because of human and whatever people are doing and farms and all that, that is causing the market to behave almost the same. So if you put the same level with people who are big traders, all on trend, big like companies and all that, you end up making good amount of money. That's why you need the knowledge to know how they trade, how they operate, so that you can just be moving with their trend, and how the majority is just doing. The market is always correct when the technical analysis. So you need, before you enter trend, before uingie useme nataka kununua dola, before uingie useme nataka kununua stocks kwa Netflix, before uingie useme nataka kununua what I want to, nataka kununua gold, nataka kununua silver, you have to do technical analysis to know what was the previously like 6 days ago, what was happening to the gold. 6 months ago, what was happening to the gold in terms of prices and all that, prices actions and all that. Then you do, that is what we call what, technical analysis. Then we come to the next thing that is very important, and we call it fundamental analysis. How do these things affect? So many people train technicals, but they don't train fundamental. But fundamental is the king. Fundamental is the king. So do you know what big traders do? Do you know what big traders do? Do you know what many firms do? They trade on fundamentals, and then they confirm that with technical. Technical analysis is just for confirming where the market is ending to. For example, one thing about fundamental analysis is news. For example, let's say, like nitapeana hii example ya the previous day, where the government, where the Federal Reserve of the USA decided, for example, to raise interest rate. You know, when the government raises interest rate, what happens to the strength of the currency? The strength of the currency increases. When inflation, whatever, all that, you can, that is fundamental analysis. Takimenizo vitu mingi hapo. When the employment, there are those things that affect the currency indirectly. For example, hiyo unasema zote zina, those are the news. Hizo unasemanga watu wana trend news, so hizo ndio news watu wanaangalianga how is going to affect. Ukienda kwa banks, ukienda kwa hii firms za kutrend and all that, utaona wameweka TV hapo hata kwa banks, na ingine inaonyesha Bloomberg. Bloomberg is just a TV that just offers in a letter news, the economy, the currencies updating and all that. So pia mimi naikanga hiyo, lazima my Bloomberg, I have a small laptop over here, is always playing the Bloomberg. So the Bloomberg is just for updating those information in a complete. So that's as fundamental. So you know, anything that happens, whatever the government just decided to do on the currency, it's just going to affect it, because I said that the currencies, they are just controlled. But on the cryptocurrency, you are not going to expect such news from the government. What you are going to hear from the about the cryptocurrency ni Elon Musk amesema, kampuni fulani imefanya. All those cryptocurrency and fundamental, you have to do good research, because you have to go do research, good research. So fundamental actually ni kitu muhimu sana kama unataka kunini, you have to know at least fundamental. Ukienda sana utafanya kitu inaitwa sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is also involve sana kwa crypto, because sentimental, you know, it just means that you know, you it's just how people are saying, how people are feeling about something. Hizo rumors tu, ni kama rumors tu, unaona, rumors zinasema aje, ina create fear. For example, fear, how people are feeling about a certain thing, is it inserting fear? And you know, when people have fear about something, they are going to sell it. For example, unajua like tuseme tu honestia ni nini, mtu kila mtu anaweza uko na shares na uko nazo, and you know, honestia shares will just be worthless. What are you going to do? that fear has just been instilled in you. So what you are going to do is you are going to sell. Yeah, ama umeona kwa shops watu wamesikia unga itakuwa imetoka saa hii inatoka 200, but 2 years but maybe some days to come wanasikia tu rumors inasema that unga is going to become 70 bob. So what they are going to do is they are going to make effort, they do a very massive sell. Yeah, so that is what sentiment you just do. Unachunguza watu wanasema ni fears and all that, so you can see this actually is very 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 deep on that. And kuna ingine pia sitaiongelea sana because this is not even important. Kuna ingine inaitwa quantitative analysis. I will not talk about that one. As long umeelewa hizo mbili, at least hizo mbili, then kidole utakuwa umefanya, utajua umejua kutrend, utakuwa unajua unaingililia wapi kutrend, utajua unajua unatokea wapi wakati unataka kufanya your trend and all that. Yeah, I hope people are following because this is getting interesting. This is interesting. Haya, tulianzia wapi? Tukasema tunataka hii ni FX pesa, tuna deposit, tuna withdraw, una trade kwa MT4 ama MT5, either crypto ama kwa MT5 una trade crypto na currency stocks and all that. And tukasema before uende kwa trend unahitaji kufanya technical analysis, fundamental analysis, na ukienda sana unafanya sentimental na quantitative kama wewe ni professional trader and all that. And after that you can make profit. After all this you close and all that, then you just be going to go. That is what we call forex trading. And forex tunasema ni foreign exchange, where una exchange currency na each other, meaning unaweza, kuna hata Tesla wameweka you can buy it is Twitter, yes, Twitter, you can buy all those ni stocks siko wapi. FX pesa ina provide ina connect in the market so that you can just do it. There are some, okay, let's just do small little terms that you hear in forex, little terms that you are going to hear in forex. Actually hakuna hata sikuwa nimeandika any note about this introduction class, but I hope mnaelewa. Yeah, now about forex kuna terms utasikia about forex trading, yeah. Yes, but kuna vitu nasikianga tu kwa forex trading, FX trading. Hizi tu ni general terms. Now ukisikia mambo ya forex trading kama saa hii tumedefine kitu kama broker, tumesema now because so many people of you have this broker. Kama uko na FX pesa, make sure that uko na FX pesa, right? And the reason I say you have to have FX pesa as long so that I can be able to be teaching on this. Yeah, make sure that you have FX pesa so that you can just be getting materials, because there are some materials I get from FX pesa and then I will be able to distribute it to you. Ukiwa na shida you can ask so that I can just be checking, connect, so that kama uko na shida any questions I can connect you also when the classes, live classes kwa FX pesa and all that one. So there are a lot of advantage when you have FX pesa trader. So tumesema broker hapa unatumia kitu kama FX pesa. Kuna terms utasikia tu kama pairs, tumesema unaona una trend pairs gani. Yeah, pairs hizi ni kama euro. Sasa in terms of pairs kuna main pairs, major, unaweza tuzita major pairs. Major pairs, these are pairs that are involved with US dollars. So all of them are major pairs. Hizo big those big one, and euro. So hizo ziko na euro, GBP. So kuna hizi main those big ones that are known, this great one JPYs. So they are not, these combinations inapea nini, achana na hizo stocks and all that. Hizi zina involve this these things, they are major pairs, okay, especially this combination AUD, yeah. So these are the minor ones, nizo zingine is yeah, and all that. So kuna vitu zingine tu utasikia kwa forex trading. By the way, let me just ask this question. Watu wako online, niambia ni kitu gani ingine ushaisikia kwa forex before tuendelee. Kuna leverage, kuna lot size, but we will come to talk about that later. Ni jina gani ushaisikia ingine ikakutatiza kidogo, those terms kwa forex trading? Ama mko sawa? Watu wako sawa
Ati unauliza aje Dan?
Nauliza tu ni majina gani mnasikianga kwa forex?
Hizo umesema hizo, I think ndo najua.
Okay. Haya, Lindy alikuwa amefungua microphone. Sawa, nimekusikia Winnie. Haya, Lindy alikuwa umesema aje?
Mimi nauliza kuhusu hizi margin. Kuna margin, kuna free margin, sijaielewa zinaenda aje. Hata mtu anajuanga aje.
Haya, sawa. So those are the actually ni sawa. Kuna mwingine?
Alafu Dan, kuna hizo hapo kwa chart. Hizo colors zina mean like hiyo chart ingine iko red, ingine iko black. What does it?
Haya, naelewa sasa. Haya, kuna kitu hata mmenikumbusha. Haya, let's proceed. Nilikuwa nataka tu kusikia kama watu wamelala. Okay, you can turn your microphone on tuendelee. So kuna watu wanauliza kuna vitu tunaitanga free margin. So hiyo na that question came from the lady. So we'll come to discuss about that because those things you will see them on MT4. So kuna assignment nimetengeneza hizi video explaining what does it mean free margin level, kuna equity, kuna balance. Hizo vitu zote utaziona wapi? That is the assignment I'll just be giving you because I have explained it very well. Nikiwa nimeweka tu hapa, nikiwa nachora nika explain what is balance. Hizo utaziona wapi? Kwa MT4 na kwa MT5. So lazima uzijue. Nika explain level margin inamaanisha nini, percentage, hizo nika explain equity, nika explain margin. So I explained all those. So the assignment is after this class nitatuma hiyo video so that you can just watch. Kurudia hizo vitu tena na nimetengeneza hiyo kitu, haitaleta sense. Unaona? Haitaleta sense. So ukienda kwa MT4 hizo vitu utaziona hapo. But I'll make sure, please make sure hata wale wengine kama hujui how those things means, you have to go to look in before you place a trend, because if you place trend hizo vitu zitaapia. I have explained it very well. I'll be sending that link so that you can watch, you can know margin and all that. Kuna the other question, kuna mwenye ameuliza kuna hizi vitu utasikia another terms like this. Ukiingia kwa forex kuna vitu utasikia like candlesticks. So candlesticks zinaitwa candlesticks because they look like candle. Zinakaanga tu kama candle. Unaona kama inakaa kama mshumaa. Inakaa kama mshumaa. So these are the candlesticks. So each candlesticks zinakuanga formed, hizo zinachoranga hiyo graph, unaona inaenda hivi. Acha nikuonyeshe. Let me show you hapa. Acha niwaonyeshe. Let me show you here. So this is what this is just a platform. It's known as TradingView. TradingView, you can enter here and you can do your analysis over here. Unaona vitu zinakaa candlesticks, zinakaa candle. So that way candlesticks. Unaona zinakaa candle hii. So something we come about these candlesticks in a present, every candlesticks inakuwa formed after ile time una select hapa. For example unaona unaweza select 1 hour, kila candlestick represent 1 hour, so hiyo movement ita change kwa sababu each candlestick ina present different time, and that movement is that help you to monitor where the market is just moving next. So every candlesticks, na ukiwa unataka graph kama hii unaweza tu select, hata utumie graphs usitumie like lines ukiona nikiselect line itatoka, but we don't like lines because we cannot see something, because candlesticks actually help us to do those analysis. So hata sitakangi kuona hiyo line, natakanga kutumia hii candlesticks, ona. Yeah, so we used candlesticks, these are the candlesticks. And kuna vitu utasikia like bullish candlesticks, hizi tutakuja tu kudiscuss ama nitawapea assignment. Kuna vitu utasikia kama bullish candlesticks, naona kuna bullish, kuna bearish, so hizo vitu utasikia acha nirudie hapa tena. Kuna watu nilivuzanga hizi vitu na wakakuja kuniuliza tena kwa group, so sijui kama walikuwa wamelala ama nini. So ukiona kitu imekaa green okay, hata nimeonyesha venye unaweza set MT4. Utaenda uset MT4, utaenda hapo kwa settings, on the right side uklik hapo kwa MT4, una click pale kwa menu, uenda mahali kumeandikwa setting. Ukienda setting unaenda mahali kumeandikwa colors. Ukienda kwa colors utaona bearish candle na bullish candle. So kwa bull inamaanisha ni kitu inapanda. Bull hii ni inaitwa ox, kitu iko na nguvu, inaenda juu. So this is the bullish candlesticks. It will present when the market is just going up. For example, here, look. Ukiangalia vile nimeset here, you can see these candlesticks. Let me expand so that you can see very well. Honor this market, honor this market. Honor. This is bullish. So, not foolish but bullish. So this you can see where the market is moving up, these green candles, and all of this green or blue. So these green colors has just been formed. So you can see these are formed, and when the market is just going down, these bearish candles are being formed. So is most of times inakuanga red. So this is bullish, this is bull, this is market is in bear, right? So the market is in bull and in green, and the market is, sometimes you can set the colors that you want, but to make things look good, then unapaswa kuweka the colors the other traders are using to familiarize with them. Yeah, so that is the bullish and bearish candlesticks. So those are the terms you see, bear, bullish, and all that. So that means you just need to do your technical analysis and all that, you know. Actually this nimewambia lazima ujue hizo margin and all that, lazima ujue kutumia MT4. Hiyo nimetengeneza, hiyo lazima watu wajue, ujue kutumia MT4 so that you can know how to do your analysis. Ujue margin, free margin, hizo zinamaanisha nini kwa MT4. Hii ni MT4, ina involve kwa MT4 and all that. Kuna vitu zingine nimetengeneza hapo. Ujue vitu tunaita lot size, how to enter the trend. Unajua kitu inaitwa lot size, how to calculate profit and loss. Number 3, ujue how to count pips. Pips and points. So unajua hizi ni nini? Do you know what are these? So when we talk about nimesema margin and that, you have to know that, and lot size, profit and all that. And when you just, actually the very important thing is that make sure that you know how to calculate point and pips. Okay, so hizi ni vile vitu naonanga, they look like, for example, let's say in this pair euro USD, you can see something written like 0 point, like for example the current price. Yeah, so you can see this movement, we have 3933 over here. So this is it, so this is it. So on this one, on this you count points. Okay, you know how to count this one. When they move, for example, you move to 1, itoke 333, itakuwa imeenda how many points, itakuwa imeenda how many pips. Ukipata hiyo, utajua where to enter stop loss, utajua calculating of profit, stop loss and all that. So things will be very very easy for you when it comes to that. Yeah, so forex itaanza kuwa very easy sana. So ukijua hizi vitu nimeandika hapa, then the other thing will just be tutakuwa tuna summarize tu, tunapitia kidogo kidogo. So as I said, make sure that you know how to count, to calculate pips and points. Personally, I'll come with another class yenu to know how to do with almost all this, but to make sure and give you the assignment to do that. Yeah, so sitaki kuendelea sana because it's like we have done overview of everything that you have to know. Siwezi wafunza kila kitu because I cannot, if I start teaching about MT4 tutachukua weeks. Margin and all that, loss size, profit, count and pips, all these are different classes, but even you can start learning them for your own. But already you have the overview, of what you have to go through so that you can know how to place a successful trend, how you can just trend successfully. Let me just get the questions. Nataka tu maswali kidogo, then nani yako na swali kidogo? If you have any question you can ask before ni cut this. Yeah, tumemalizia hapo, and I'll be sending that one. Make sure uko kwa group and make sure that you have a FX Pesa so that you can be handed to my team so that I can be checking your progress and all that. If you don't have that connection, mimi sijui nitakusaidia aje. There's also another class that we'll be doing. Kuna watu wako hapa because I send in ya watu wale wako new, of course ndio hawa sasa. Yeah, because I see almost of you this is the beginners class, ndio ya kwanza. Wengine acha kae kidogo, tutafanya class ya general pale, tutajoin kila mtu because there is something else I have to share. Let me know if there is any question from there, or I can end this meeting and then I'll just keep giving you an assignment to group about these things that I've shared, lot size, kutumia MT4 and all that. With no question, this means people are contented. So I'm going to end that meeting from there. So you have a good weekend and blessed one, enjoy one, and I will see you next time. Make sure that you become a good trader. You gain the skills that you want. Gain enough skills. Acha kuwatu kuenda mtu akutrendia and all that. Kuna mtu amefungua microphone. I just wanted to end this.
Dan. Tuendelee kidogo.
Hapana. Unajua ni 1 hour. Tumemaliza 1 hour, si ndio? 1 hour. Yeah, because there are a lot of assignment you have to do. Hizo vitu zingine siwezi wafunza hapa. Seriously. But
Okay.
I'll just check. Mi watu unajua nataka kuona kama nyinyi unajua this is the first time the class, so I just want to know kama mko serious. So
Okay.
nikipea watu assignment nione kama watafanya, because mimi mtu akileta ni mimi tu namtoa. So I'll just be giving out that assignment. Watu wakifanya tu tutaendelea vizuri, but mkikataa mjue hiyo sasa ni shauri yenu.
Okay, sawa.
Okay, weekend njema kila mtu. Sasa you can assist from the group, mtaniacha hapa. Mnaweza toka? Mnaweza toka sasa au be given an assignment. Mtoke. Watu watoke hapa, watu watoke.